friends, I'm so excited because today I'm gonna make my very favorite breakfast, waffles. And these are very exciting waffles because they are gonna be in the shape of Mickey Mouse. Well, are you ready? Wonderful. To start off, I'm gonna put on my apron. Now this is my very special princess apron. As you can see, it has some beautiful crowns on it and beautiful dresses on it. And this is gonna keep my outfit nice and safe while I'm baking. I don't wanna have a dirty dress. Now let's begin. I'm starting with my box of waffle or pancake mix. And on the back, there are ingredients and directions. Ask your parents for help and you can make these too. Well, let me see. What does it first say? It says, put 2 cups of the waffle mix into a bowl. Let's see if I have what I need. I have a measuring cup. This is 1 measuring cup. And I have my waffle mix and my bowl. Let's see. Here's my 1 cup. And here's my 2nd cup. Okay, now let's see what happens next. It says mix 1 1/3 cup of water. Well, I have my sink here, and I'm gonna get 1 cup of water. And here I have my 1/3 measuring cup. Put some water in there. And my 3rd cup of water. The next thing to do is mix it very, very well. I have my very special whisk and it's gonna mix for me. We're gonna go mix, mix, mix the mix, mix it nice and good. Mix the top and mix the bottom and everything in between. I'm looking for a nice, well-mixed batter for my delicious, yummy waffle. Here, why don't you take a look at that? Oh, this looks delicious. Before I put my batter in the waffle maker, I put a little bit of cooking oil onto a paper towel. And then I gently put it on the warm waffle maker so that our waffle doesn't stick. Make sure you get a parent to do this part. And now I'm ready to get my big scoop of batter, just like that. This might look a little messy, and I'm gonna put it right in the middle. Oh, yum! I'll put it right over the ear, put it to the other ear, all the way down. Get the whole Mickey Mouse face, spread that around, and now I'm ready to close the lid and see what happens. Come and take a close look, and you can see some steam coming out of the waffle maker. That's how you know the waffle is not finished baking yet. Be very careful. Now stay away from the steam, okay? You don't want to get burnt. While I wait for my waffle to make, I'm gonna cut up some yummy strawberries. Now I've already washed them so they're nice and clean, and I'm gonna use a butter knife. Ask your parents to help you cut up your yummy strawberries. And there's different ways we can do it. I want to take away that leafy green part. I don't think that'll taste very good on my waffle. And then I'm going to do slice, 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 slice. Watch out for your fingers. And here, if I spread it out like that, I have a beautiful strawberry flower. It looks like there's no more steam, which means our waffle is ready now. Let's open it up and take a look. Now be very careful and use safety tongs to pick your waffle up. Would you take a look? Our perfect golden brown Mickey Mouse. It looks delicious. I'm gonna put it safely on my plate. And now it's ready for some yummy, yummy whipped cream strawberries and syrup. I have my whipped cream, my strawberries, and my yummy syrup. So I'm ready to decorate my waffle. To start off, I have my whipped cream. Give it a little shake. Make sure it's pointing down, and then you push on there, and I'm gonna do a nice little ear. Maybe one on that ear, and let's give Mickey Mouse a very big smile. And now I'm gonna put on the beautiful strawberries that I cut up. Maybe I'll do one right there. And, oh, I have this other beautiful one that I've made. Oh, that looks wonderful. And let's finish off with some delicious, yummy syrup. Here we go. This looks delicious. Well, I am here with my princess, Raylan, and we are gonna try the delicious Mickey Mouse waffle that we made today. Oh, that's delicious. What do you think? Delicious. Oh. Try that piece. Well, if you've had fun today, ask your parents to subscribe and give me a big thumbs up.